Hello and welcome. My name is Izukimaru and I'm from Japan. I started this channel to introduce authentic Japanese meals to all over the world while also improving my cooking skill. But I love to eat, so I also want to eat. Today I'm going to cook Yakitori Bento. What is Yakitori Bento? Is chicken on the rice. And between the chicken and rice, there is a nori. Chicken is coated by soy sauce. It's kind of a little bit salty, but it's really good. Nori is Japanese seaweed. How to make yakitori bento is very simple. Cook a chicken with soy sauce and fry it, and put the nori on the rice and put the chicken on it. So it's really simple. Now let's go. I'm going to show ingredients and seasonings. First, 100 grams of chicken thigh. Next, a spring onion, 1/3 of a leek. And mirin and soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of each. Grilled seaweed, which is called yakinori in Japanese, 1 seed of nori, and rice for a 1%, and an appropriate amount of oil. I think veggie oil is good for this. First, cut leeks into 2 centimeter long diagonal slices. So I'm gonna cut it. Maybe this could be 2 centimeter. Okay. And cut the chicken into 3 centimeter cubes. I think it's already in 3 centimeter cubes, but let me see. I'm gonna cut a little bit. Like this. Okay. Done. Heat the veggie oil in a frying pan. Okay, I'm gonna Okay, the pan is now got heated up. So I'm going to put chicken and leeks. Okay. There's okay. After maybe like 3 minutes, when chicken has rounded, turn it over. Okay, so I think chicken is ready. Turn it off. The chicken has brown, so I'm going to turn it over. Wait a second. It's too much? I don't know. Let me see. Oh, okay. And cover with the lid to steam. And I'm gonna put the lid on it. I'm gonna put medium heat to make it steam. Okay, when it's cooked, wipe off the excess oil from the pan with the kitchen paper. Unfortunately, I run out the kitchen paper, so I'm gonna use tissues to get excess oil. I have to buy it. Okay, wait a second. Let me get all of the oil. Yeah, I think pretty much done. So I'm going to add the seasonings here. So this is mirin and soy sauce mixed. Here we go. And then I'm going to put the heat with this seasoning. Okay, so when almost liquid is gone, remove from the pan. Okay. Like this. Fill the bento box with rice. I don't have a bento box, so I just put this rice in this container. And after the rice cools, tear off a piece of nori. Okay, this nori I'm gonna tear off. And sprinkle it on top of the rice. So I'm just gonna tear off and put it onto the rice. Important things, you should wait until rice cools and chicken cools. After you put this nori onto the rice, you can finally put the chicken onto this rice. Gotta put it. It looks super good. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit. It looks good. Okay. I wish I could have a bento box though. Okay. Finally, it's done. It looks super good. Yakitori Bento. I'm gonna eat. Itadakimasu. Oh, looks good. You can feel the soy sauce flavor, and nori is actually really good accent. Yeah, it's not sweet, but it's really good with the rice and nori. It's really tasty. It's really good. Nori. I love it. As you know, how to cook this meal is really simple, so I think it's really good for bento. It takes like less than 10 minutes, so in the morning you can prepare and bring it to your workplace. Yeah, I think it's really easy. In Japan, yakitori bento is generally chicken meal. So I think most of Japanese people will think this is a chicken meal. But in Hokkaido, which is north part of Japan, where I am from, even we say yakitori bento. Tori means chicken. Yakitori bento in Hokkaido, sometimes it's pork version of this meal. I don't know why, but in Hokkaido, it's not chicken meal sometimes. I think most of the time it's pork in Hokkaido. I think in my life I have eaten pork version of Yakitori Bento more than chicken version of Yakitori Bento though. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. And share this video with your friend and give me a comment which Japanese meal you want to see in this video. I really appreciate. Until next time.